Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the SolarPunk game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SolarPunk game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to customize your control settings, you can go ahead and click on the settings menu. From here, click on controls. And now you have various different options, including the sensitivity settings, as well as the axis inversion. Now underneath you have the key bindings, where you can find all of the buttons that have been assigned to your game. If you wish to change your controls, simply click on whichever control you wish to reassign. And once it turns blank, you can press your desired new button right away. You can do this with all of the controls and have it just the way you like. Once you are done customizing your keys, make sure to click on Save and Back, which will save your changes. And now you can continue to play your game with your customized controls right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the SolarPunk game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.